Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing form and purpose. Pick fresh root for bright aroma or powder for steady color and shelf life. Once decided, measure 0.5 to 1 tsb powder for a single serving or a 1-inch piece of root for tea. Prepare the root by peeling thinly, then slice or mince to release oils. Make sure to use a dry spoon for powder to avoid clumping, and keep both spices separate until you need them in the recipe. Once your base is ready, it's time to balance flavors. Turmeric benefits from an acid like lemon to brighten its earthiness, and from fat such as oil or coconut milk to help absorption. Conversely, ginger brings heat and fresh zing. Add smaller amounts, then taste. Stir spices into hot liquids early so turmeric infuses color and ginger tempers over time. Make sure to taste frequently, adjusting in small increments. This prevents overpowering heat or muddled turmeric, and keeps your dish layered and clean. To finish, taste and adjust. Garnish with fresh herbs or a squeeze of citrus to brighten both turmeric and ginger. If turmeric dominates with bitterness, add a pinch of sugar or another splash of acid to rebalance. If ginger is too sharp, dilute with more starch or coconut milk. Once plated, note strength for next time and write ratios that worked. Troubleshooting. If flavor is weak, steep longer or boost fresh root by about 25%. This small tweak often solves underpowered outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.